Hi everybody. If you know me or if you've been following my blog, you know that I am running my first full marathon this Sunday, the Nike Women's Marathon in San Francisco. I'm very nervous and I can't believe it. I can't believe it's coming. It's in 2 days. It's just crazy. Anyway, so I'm packing and I just wanted to share with you all the stuff that I have to take with me. It's pretty amazing. Everyone thinks running is such a simple sport, but not so much. Anyway, so look at all the stuff I have to pack. Here we go. So, of course, first things first, shoes, my shoes. I need and then under there in that manila envelope is all my information to get to the expo and my directions and all the stuff for Team in Training. That's my Team in Training shoe tag, which has my medical emergency information just in case I die at like mile 19 or something, you know, just in case. It's my IT band strap, just in case. Again, my IT band really bugged me on the 20-mile run, so I hope that this sucker, as well as my KT tape over here, will improve that and not give me such a big deal. Over here we also have the Gold Bond powder. I also get tons and tons and tons of blisters. For some reason only on my left foot, but I'm hoping to shove that into my socks to absorb the moisture. Again, with that blister foot, I got these non-stick pads as well as a waterproof tape to wrap around my foot to protect one of these huge blisters I got after the half marathon a couple weekends ago. Huge blister. It's like 2 inches. It's horrible. I got my running bra, my jog bra, of course, Moving Comfort. I love it. And I've got my Team in Training shirt here. We've decorated our shirts the other night. Do the damn thing. I certainly will. I've also got my running skirt. That's going to be my race day skirt. Doesn't chafe, thank God. Other things I got over here is definitely my Kinesis Sport sunscreen, which I slather all over myself to avoid any weird tan lines from my running shorts, IT band strap, watch, etc. Degree deodorant I actually put on my feet, again, to avoid the blisters. The Body Glide here is for all the chafe marks. I tend to get chafe marks under my bra and from my water belt on the back, and sometimes the tags on my clothing, so I like to Body Glide all over those hot spots. My Noon, of course, my Noon, race day Noon, as well as Noon U for daily hydration. I'm hydrating now, and I'm consuming about 3 to 4 of these a day just to keep my body super hydrated going into Sunday. On race day, I use the Gatorade Power Packs. These are the Performance 2 powder packs. They have more potassium and more salt, that is sodium, in them. I tend to complete runs and be covered in salt, which means that I lose too much salt when I run. So I add that. I actually add a 1/4 teaspoon to each of them so that I get even more salt while I'm running. I've also got my Cliff Shot Gels, which have a boost of caffeine in them. I have 4. I don't think my running belt can hold all those, but I have other little pockets on my skirt, so I hope that works too. Also for race day, my little Uncrustables here, white bread, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, strawberry of course, which low fiber, so I don't have to worry about any porta-potty stops over than the usual porta-potty stops. Breakfast in the morning will be a banana and iced oatmeal raisin Luna bar. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Of course, I've got my running hat here, my Brooks running hat. It's black, I know, but it matches, so I'm all about the vanity. Anyway, and my Xperia, the Thorlo socks, which I just love. They've been great, again, helping me with my blisters, etc. I've also got my Sport Beans here, which is also for race fuel. Hope to shove a bunch of those in my water belt and consume those, you know, some at least every hour of the race, since I will be running for about 5 hours. Oh my God. I've got sunscreen. I'm sorry, this is more my moisturizer / sunscreen. Just add an extra layer underneath the Kinesis. I always need lip balm, so I got my Rosebud there. It's my favorite brand. And deodorant, because I'm a stinky little girl, and every time I run, I definitely require deodorant because I stink. Of course, I got my running watch, my Garmin Space Watch, and I've got my wristband, which I put underneath my running watch because I'm convinced that my sweat took the sucker down a couple months ago. That sucked. So I sweat a lot. Anyway, my iPod, which I'm still filling with music today. My Space Watch charger, of course, don't forget that. That's going to be the cord for my camera, which I'm holding, but I'm also going to bring the camera too, of course. Woo! And then there's my Amphipod water belt, which I'll have 3 bottles on that, 2 filled with my Gatorade electrolytes and 1 filled just with water, which I will go ahead and basically fill up if I need to at the water stops along the race course. And for post-race, I'm going to go ahead and have my Team in Training sweatshirt, just because I know I'll be super cold after the race, even if it's hot from all that running. I've got my Team in Training flip-flops, which I know after 26.2 miles I'm going to really want to take off those shoes. And knowing me, I know I will have a blister or 2 or 3 or 12, so I got that blister treatment to apply right to the blisters after the race, just in case. And I always require chocolate milk after I run long, so there's my chocolate milk that my husband should bring with him to the finish line, and a Luna bar just in case. I'm always kind of weird about eating, but we'll see, we'll see. And of course I can't forget my pajamas. I got my Good Luck pajama, champagne bottle pajama bottoms, and a race shirt from a race that was pretty successful, so I'll have some good positive thoughts going into that. So all this stuff, all this stuff is going to fit into this little bag. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that, but we're going to give it a try, and I think I'm ready. 2 more days, but I'm packing now, and that's all the stuff I require. Anyway, thanks for listening, and wish me luck. 2 more days. Cheer me on. Woo! Go Nike! Ah!